All right, let me ask you something. What if I told you that you don't have to spend over $1,000 to capture smooth, cinematic drone footage that actually looks professional? Sounds hard to believe, right? Well, today, we're checking out a drone that's been getting a lot of attention for exactly that reason. Welcome back to DroneDominator.today. We're taking a closer look at the Potensic Atom 3, and by the end of this video, you'll know whether this drone is really worth your money or if you should save up for something else. Let's get flying. The first thing you'll notice is how compact this drone is. It folds up small enough to fit in a backpack, and it's light enough to take almost anywhere. Whether you're traveling, hiking, or just heading to your local park, you won't feel like you're carrying a heavy piece of gear. That's exactly what makes this drone so appealing for beginners and content creators. But don't let the small size fool you. Once it's up in the air, it feels surprisingly stable. Even in light wind, the Atom 3 stays smooth and confident, which gives you a lot more confidence when you're filming your shots. You don't have to fight the controls or worry about shaky footage every few seconds. The controller is simple, easy to understand, and comfortable to hold. Even if this is your very first drone, you'll be in the air after just a few minutes. The app is clean, the setup is quick, and before you know it, you're already recording your first cinematic clip. Now here's where things start to get really interesting. Because a great drone isn't just about flying, it's all about the camera. And trust me, you'll want to see what this little drone can do in the next part. If you're enjoying the video so far, hit that like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and let me know in the comments which drone or camera you want me to review next. Now let's jump into the camera, battery life, and the features that could make this one of the best value drones in its price range. Now let's talk about the camera, because this is the reason most people buy a drone in the first place. The Potensic Atom 3 delivers sharp, detailed footage with natural colors that look great straight out of the camera. Whether you're filming mountains, beaches, city skylines, or your latest adventure, you can capture smooth, cinematic shots that are ready to share with very little editing. For a drone in this price range, the image quality is honestly impressive. Battery life is another area where this drone stands out. With around 30 minutes of flight time on a full charge, you'll have enough time to explore different locations, try multiple camera angles, and get the shot you actually want instead of rushing before the battery runs out. That extra flight time makes a huge difference when you're creating content. One feature I really like is how beginner-friendly it feels. The controls are responsive, the drone reacts smoothly, and the intelligent flight modes help you capture professional-looking footage without needing years of flying experience. It's the kind of drone that lets you focus on your creativity instead of worrying about complicated controls. But here's the real question. Is it worth your money? If you're looking for a lightweight, reliable, and easy-to-fly drone without spending a fortune, my answer is yes. The Potensic Atom 3 offers incredible value for its price and delivers performance that will surprise a lot of people. At the time of this video, the Potensic Atom 3 starts at around $349 USD, depending on the package and current promotions. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Drone Dominator, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest drone and camera reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.